In a world where money talks and wealth often overshadows wisdom, understanding your personal finances becomes your superpower. Do you want to stop wasting your money and start building a successful future? Keep close attention as we will unravel these 4 parts on how you should handle money. Part 1. Budgeting and money management. In the intricate dance of personal finance, there's a foundational step that sets the rhythm for everything else: budgeting and money management. This isn't just financial jargon, it's the blueprint for constructing a fortress of financial security. Everything begins with awareness. Have you ever paused to truly understand the nuances of your income? Can you account for where every single dollar you earn dissipates? Like a seasoned detective piecing together a narrative, tracking each expense unravels the mysterious tale of your monetary habits. With this clear understanding, you can glean profound insights into your spending patterns, effortlessly spotlighting areas ripe for refinement. But enlightenment alone isn't the magic wand to financial stability. Enter the second protagonist of our story: discipline. Crafting a budget might be an endeavor of intellect, but adhering to it? That's a test of will. The modern world is a cornucopia of temptations, beckoning us towards instant gratifications. Yet, the truly disciplined discern between fleeting desires and genuine needs. Every purchase, every financial decision, then becomes a conscious choice, reflecting one's commitment to a prosperous future. However, even the most astute financial plans can't predict life's penchant for unpredictability. Those curveballs, the unforeseen expenses, the unexpected downturns, they don't send advance notices. And it's for these inevitable rainy days that we advocate for the third pillar, an emergency fund. Consider it your financial armor, a shield safeguarding you from the unforeseen blows, ensuring that you never find solace in the treacherous confines of debilitating debt. To encapsulate, budgeting and money management is less about the arithmetics of income and expenses and more about sculpting a narrative of empowerment. It's a journey where awareness paves the path, discipline steers the course, and an emergency fund ensures a smooth ride. Together, they promise a future where you don't just survive, but truly thrive. Part 2. Stop wasting money. In the vast landscape of financial health, there's a simple yet profound adage that rings true across centuries and cultures. Money saved is money earned. While the allure of modern consumption tempts us at every corner, the age-old wisdom of not wasting money holds the key to a foundation of enduring prosperity. Picture this: a leaky bucket with small water droplets rhythmically yet incessantly dripping away. This slow, constant drain might seem inconsequential at first, but over time, the loss is undeniable. Our financial habits often mirror this scenario. Those seemingly harmless indulgences, the impromptu shopping sprees, the impulse buys, they all accumulate, eroding our wealth drip by drip. However, not wasting money isn't merely about saving. It's about intentional spending. It's recognizing the difference between transient wants and genuine needs. Every dollar spent thoughtlessly is a missed opportunity, a potential investment unmade, a dream deferred. By curbing unnecessary expenses, we're not depriving ourselves. Instead, we're redirecting our resources towards avenues that enrich our lives in more meaningful ways. Moreover, in a world laden with glitzy advertising and clever marketing, discernment becomes a treasured ally. We're constantly bombarded with messages that equate spending with happiness. Yet, true contentment often lies in simplicity, in discerning the value of experiences over possessions, in cherishing moments over materialism. Cultivating a habit of not wasting money also fosters a sense of empowerment. It's a conscious decision to take charge of one's financial destiny, to craft a life where choices are made out of purpose and not pressured by societal expectations. In essence, the principle of not wasting money is an ode to mindfulness. It's a commitment to being present in our financial decisions, to savoring the beauty of simplicity, and to constructing a life not by the number of possessions we accumulate, but by the wealth of experiences we embrace. As we journey through the intricate maze of personal finance, let's remember, it's not always about earning more, but often about wanting less. Part 3. Avoiding bad debt. Not all debt is forged the same. Understanding its intricacies is crucial to ensure one's financial voyage remains on course. First, let's decipher the duality of good debt versus bad debt. Picture debt as a tool, like a hammer. In the hands of a craftsman, it can build homes or craft masterpieces. Similarly, some debts, such as mortgages or student loans, serve as constructive instruments. They pave avenues to assets or education, becoming bridges to potential prosperity. But swing that hammer carelessly, and damage ensues. Such is the peril of high-interest consumer debts, notably credit card debt. These aren't bridges but shackles, weighing one down, gradually eroding financial health. Then there's the age-old wisdom of choosing to live within your means. In today's world of glossy advertisements and instant gratifications, it's tempting to stretch one's financial limits. But living beyond one's means is like building a castle on sand, impressive momentarily, but destined to collapse. Succumbing to the allure of a life one can't genuinely afford doesn't lead to genuine happiness. Instead, it paves a path to an ever-deepening debt pit. Lastly, if ensnared in the web of debt, strategy becomes your beacon. Paying down high-interest debts should be the cornerstone of this approach. Visualize debts as different flames. While some are manageable, others, with soaring interest rates, can turn into wildfires, consuming savings and peace of mind. By extinguishing these blazing debts first, one curtails the most significant financial damage, optimizing the path to debt freedom. In summation, while debt is an intrinsic aspect of many financial journeys, its mastery lies in discernment and discipline. Recognize the nature of the debt you undertake. Live authentically, aligned with your genuine financial capacity, and if encumbered, tackle it with strategy. In the tapestry of life, ensuring that debt becomes a stitch in time and not a gaping hole is key to weaving a narrative of sustained prosperity. Part 4. Continuous learning and adaptation. Just as waters flow, adapting to the terrains they encounter, our financial strategies must evolve, mirroring the ever-changing contours of the economic landscape. First and foremost, the clarion call to stay updated cannot be overstated. Consider the world of finance as a vast, dynamic ocean. Currents, in the form of financial markets, tax laws, and best practices, are always shifting. One can't simply set sail and forget the course. Navigating these waters requires a keen eye on the horizon, staying abreast of changes, updates, and evolutions. By consistently updating one's knowledge, not only does one dodge potential pitfalls, but also capitalizes on emergent opportunities. However, while self-education is a potent tool, recognizing the value of external wisdom is just as crucial. This brings us to the principle of seeking expertise. Even the most seasoned sailors sometimes need a guiding star or a compass. In the vast expanse of finance, professionals like financial advisors, tax consultants, and other experts serve as these guiding beacons. Their nuanced understanding, insights, and expertise can illuminate complex choices, ensuring that one's financial voyage remains on the optimal trajectory. Yet, even with knowledge and guidance, there remains an inevitable truth: uncertainty. Life, in its unpredictable nature, often presents scenarios we hadn't charted. This underscores the essence of adaptability. Financial strategies aren't set in stone. They're clay, malleable, and ready to be reshaped. Whether it's personal circumstances, evolving goals, or shifts in the broader economic environment, being adaptable ensures resilience. It's about pivoting when needed, recalibrating goals, and always being prepared to dance to life's ever-changing tunes. In summation, while the financial journey is intricate, weaving a path of continuous learning and poised adaptation ensures one remains undeterred and undaunted. By staying informed, seeking expertise when needed, and embracing adaptability, one crafts a financial narrative that is not just robust, but also responsive to the ever-evolving symphony of life. As we end this video, remember that the world of finance is as vast as it is varied. The keys to navigating its depths lie in continuous learning, seeking wisdom, and embracing adaptability. Your financial voyage is uniquely yours, crafted by your choices, dreams, and circumstances. Feel free to leave a comment if you have any questions, hit the like button, and subscribe for more content on personal growth and success.